Good morning, ladies. How are you, beautiful? Oh, I'm back. Oh, I brought you guys some pancit and lumpia. My cousin yesterday, it was her birthday. Oh, I packed you guys Ziploc. Let's go. Chloe, I'm ready for report.
Ate, I had a hard time today.
You had a hard time? Oh, I'm sorry. Go home. Go home. You don't have to give report. I do it. I read the chart and everything. You're good.
Are you sure?
It's okay. Tina, can you help me? I have shit in my hands. Can you pass me the gloves over there? Another one. Right there on the side. Ay, sus Maria Josep. Right there, oh. Yeah, there you go. Thank you. Sus Maria Josep.
Hey nurse, I need to give you a verbal order for room 3.
You want me to get a bill bar order? Ay,
Exactly.
sus I don't do that. I've been a nurse for 20 years since in the Philippines. I don't want to lose my license. Do you have a pen?
Yes.
Oh, use the pen. Go write it yourself, Sus Maria Josep. Hello, Dr. Frederick. This is Jennifer from MidSurge.
Is this urgent?
Sorry, what did you say?
Is this
Is
urgent?
this urgent? Yes, it's urgent. Why would I call you if it's not? Putang ina. Girls. This weekend, it's my second daughter's birthday. Do you guys wanna go to my place? Yes, karaoke and a lot of food. Yeah, we made a lot of pancit and the lumpia, the skinny one. Yes, darling.
Ate, Mr. Smith won't listen to
What?
me. He
Your
won't
patient
listen.
doesn't wanna listen to... You want me to help you with
Yes,
the patient?
please.
You want me to talk to the patient? Okay, I will. Mr. Smith, you better be nice to Chloe, ha? That's a new nurse in here. Don't you be rude with her, ha? I will deal with you myself. Chloe, you're single, right? Oh, you are. Well, my son too, my firstborn, he's single too. He's a good boy. Yes, he follow me every time. He cook, he clean, he does everything. You wanna take his number? Yes, beautiful.
Ate, can you take my shift for
You
tomorrow?
want me to take your shift? Oh,
Yes.
why? What happened?
I need to go to a
Oh,
party.
you're going partying with your friends? Oh, sige.
Yes.
Fine, okay. I'll
Are
take
you
your shift.
sure? Yeah.
Tomorrow? Night shift?
Yes.
Okay, sige.
Oh
Go,
my God,
go.
thank you.
No, don't worry, I got you. Ay, nako!